Hello everyone and welcome to my Pecha Gucha presentation for field placement assigned by Program Coordinator Matt Collar. Have a look at my journey of placement. I am Snehpreet Kaur, student of Food and Nutrition Management at Georgian College, Bury. Before this, I have done Masters of Science in Microbial and Food Technology from India. Now I have interest to become a food manager in a well-reputed company. My placement at this semester was at Roberta Place. It is a fully accredited long-term care home in a beautiful Barrie, Ontario. This place offers 137 beds with comfortable bright lounges and dining areas. Here is its website. To secure my placement at Roberta Place, I had to undergo several methods. Firstly, I emailed my resume to the culinary manager, followed by COVID test. Then I had get my approval form and signed employer and student declaration understanding. Then I had done vulnerable sector check. I had completed my first goal, that is manage food handling and preparation with the help of cooks and servers. My head chef taught me how to prepare different types of drinks for the residents. It includes nectar thickened fluids, honey and pudding fluids. I have also learned about the freezing and thawing methods where I check the temperatures of food items. Thawing frozen foods like meats, poultry and seafood helps to minimize the temperature of the frozen foods. I have learned preparation of snack cards for the residents for 3 times. Morning snack. The second goal is to deliver services to the patients or residents. It includes serving food to the residents according to master data list, which is created by Jarlet Health Services. Due to COVID pandemic, it is necessary to maintain distance and take care of proper cleanliness. I have learned about 3 sink compartment dishwashing. I learned how to serve food and how to set tables for them. The master data list provides various options for the residents for their food. I also interact with the patients over there. Next goal is manage inventory and supplies. Joining this long-term care gives me opportunity to manage the inventory and supplies of goods and services in their department. The food service manager has asked me to check the temperatures, expiry dates of the products. I got acknowledged about ordering and receiving dry items from Cisco and fresh products from Fresh Start. The products are buy on the specific days of time. It is an inventory list. It provides a list of products along with quantity required to order on specific days. For example, natural milk is ordered on every Tuesday and Thursday. The Captain Bug is ordered on every Sunday of the week. The fourth goal I have completed was the use of master technology in the long-term care to enhance the performance. Point-click care application is used to assess the clinical nutrition of the residents. It includes the type of diet the residents have, bowel movements, nutritional meals, height, weight, BMI of the residents, and total fluid intake by the residents over there. Last learning outcome I have learned was preparing menus for the patients according to their needs and preferences and also their choices. It was quite interesting to preparing menus with the culinary manager over there. We have learnt about the texture modified diet that they gave to the residents. It is provided that includes regular, minced and pureed form. The diet is prepared in 3 forms like regular, minced and pureed. The first image shows the regular and the second is the minced and pureed. These are the menu item that is designed by the Jarlath Health Services. The menu is designed from Monday to Sunday for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and it is changed quarterly. The opportunity that I had missed was to meet and work with dietitians who plan menus. Because the menus are planned and designed by Jarlath Healthcare, due to this I didn't get to know about the health conditions of the residents too in the long-term care, but in future I will definitely complete this goal. The highlights of this placement is the preparation and serving food to the residents with love and care, learning new skills and outcomes by meeting different people from different backgrounds. On some days I received financial compensation when did work well. Through this I have gained valuable work experience that will be helpful in securing my job in future also. I would recommend this long-term care for placement as one can enjoy to work with the co-workers. Everybody is so cooperative and always ready to help to each other. The aura is quite peaceful and our culinary manager has helped me in completion of the learning outcomes. This placement gives me opportunity to work for the seniors at long-term care. I would like to spend my more time at this place. I like this thought a lot. I believe that pleasure is that internally emotion. When an individual is happy from internally, then it will lead to higher productivity in work. Pleasure in the work makes a person focus towards the goals. Thank you so much.